Okay, hello, welcome to our End Unit 2 study guide. This is on rational functions, Algebra 2. I'm looking at question 1 right here. It says rewrite the rational function g of x. This is just a fancy way of saying y equals x minus 4 over x. Okay, we're going to rewrite it in the form of g of x equals whatever this is, right? So what's that? C and r over x. So C, I think C they're calling a constant. We're going to get a constant value out of this when we divide this. And we're going to get a remainder. When you divide x minus 4, when you take x minus 4 and divide it by x, there's going to be some remainder, and that's what the r is. And the x is just that original denominator over here. And they're saying C and R are constant values because there's not going to be a variable in our remainder of negative 4 right here. All right, let's do this. Let's rewrite this thing here. What do we got here? We got x minus x, or no, x minus 4 in the numerator, x in the denominator. Okie dokie. Well, I don't know if we really need to use longhand division. I guess we can. When I look at this, I can see already that I'm having struggles here with my tool. There we go. I'm not going to be able to really fit much in here. We're taking this x minus 4 and we're dividing by x. Okay, so I'm going to take one number that I got to multiply x to make it equal to x. How do you make x equal to x? It's just 1. We're going to write 1 up here. So now we got 1. We're going to multiply it times x and write it right down here, and then we'll subtract that. So 1 times x is x. And then we got 1, and that's it. There's nothing else, right? It's just 1 times x. So what happens here when you subtract this stuff? You get this remainder of negative 4. So we're going to get negative 4 over here. And we can't divide negative 4 by x. So that's when we're done. We just get 1 plus this remainder of negative 4. So the way we write this is, I wish I'd made a little more room in here. We're going to rewrite this. In green, here's our answer. It's just 1 minus 4 over x, because that's the remainder of 4. We couldn't divide it by x. We're going to leave that as a fraction. Okay, you don't really need to do longhand division. I just wanted to explain that to you. When you see this right here, basically what we got here is if x is by itself, there's an invisible 1 in front of it. So when you divide this out, you can take that 1x in the numerator and just rewrite it as 1, because the x's are going to cancel out. 1x divided by 1x is 1, and then we still got the minus 4 still over the x. We cannot get this out because there's no x in negative 4. If it was negative 4x, we could divide it by x and call it negative 4, but there's not. This is it right here.